This guy's arresting me for just standing here, and now he's taking my phone.
Subscribe and embark on an exhilarating odyssey where police interaction intertwines with concealed secrets, lawsuits, and rampant misconduct. In a shocking incident of police brutality, Dillion Puente and his father, Marco Puente, fell victim to the excessive force and misconduct of two Keller police officers in Texas. The harrowing events unfolded when Dillion was pulled over for a seemingly minor traffic violation, leading to a series of events that would scar this family forever.
320, go ahead and send me a unit when you got available. Hey, roll your window back down.
What's up?
My name is Sergeant Schmont, the Keller Police Department. The reason being stopped today, you made a wide right turn. You turned from 1709 to 377. And the reason why you're rolling your window up when I walk up to this car?
No, sir.
As the body cam footage reveals, Dillion Puente was initially arrested for allegedly exhibiting suspicious behavior by simply rolling up his car window as one of the officers approached him. When questioned about his actions, Dillion says he was afraid, but this only seemed to escalate the situation further. Little did he know that his father, Marco Puente, would soon be pulled into the terrifying ordeal.
You've been driving it down for the past mile?
I just rolled it up.
All right, step out of the car for me. Step out. You gotta shut that window. Open it now. Step out. Right here. Face that direction. Face that direction. Put your hands right here behind your back. Don't move. Do you understand? Why are you acting so suspicious?
Because I'm scared.
Well, what? You're rolling your window up when I'm walking up on scene for a routine traffic stop. Ain't nothing going on. You roll your window up. What does that look like to me?
I mean, I'm just rolling it up because it's for my safety.
For your safety?
Yeah. Nothing. I rolled up my window.
Take off.
That's my dad.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
I rolled up my window.
320. Give me unit code now.
And he got mad because I rolled up my window.
Step right here.
Window down?
I rolled it up.
Step right your feet.
Well, that's what happened, huh?
Yeah.
You're about to be arrested for blocking the roadway if you don't park and get out.
I rolled
Park and get out?
I rolled up
Park
my
over
window.
there.
You said I can. It's my right.
You are interfering with my job. You need to go park over there.
I'm just recording you.
I rolled up my window like you said. It was my right to roll up my window.
No, it's not. 320, got in the back up and route. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Right. Is your ID in your wallet?
Yes, sir.
Why on earth are you acting like this?
I'm just nervous, man.
Look,
Okay, I'm
it was
sorry.
a routine traffic stop, all right? I've never met you before.
Yes, I know.
And then the first thing you do is you roll up your window like that, okay?
I thought it was allowed, so we can roll up my window and hand out my license to you.
How do you think it would look to me if you're rolling up your window when you walk up?
I guess suspicious a little bit.
Suspicious.
Marco Puente arrived at the scene in a separate vehicle and, realizing the gravity of the situation, started recording the incident from across the street. According to police records, Officer Blake had previous incidents while working as a Keller police officer. Back in 2006, an internal affairs review revealed that he had entered a private residence without a valid search warrant or the homeowner's permission. Instead of de-escalating the situation, Sergeant Blake Shamanik, one of the officers involved, ordered his colleague, Officer Ankit Tomer, to arrest Marco and subsequently pepper spray him.
So it's even more suspicious, right? You've been cruising. It's a hot day. You've been cruising right with your window down.
Yes, sir.
And the first thing I do when I walk up is you roll your window up.
Yes, sir.
Then I say step out of the car, and then you proceed to roll your window up all the way, and I can no longer see you.
I can roll my window and then shut the door and lock it. That's what I was told.
By who?
My dad.
Okay.
By the law, the government.
Okay. When you're doing that, you're taking away. I can't see anything. Mm-hmm. Apart from the fact it's rude. It's rude, is it not? I'm trying to have a conversation with you. You roll up the window, and I'm trying to do my job. And now you're taking away. Just watch him.
What? Stand here?
Yep. Ready yet? Arrest him.
For what?
For blocking the roadway.
Blocking the road?
Yep.
Oh, man, for what?
Sit down right here. Sit down right here. Sit down.
I'm not blocking any road.
Okay, can you?
Sit down.
Keep going down.
You stopped right here in the middle of the roadway.
You got this on video. This guy's arresting me for just standing here, and now he's taking my phone away. Dude, oh my God. Hey, dude, what is Hey, frame. I'm not even doing anything.
Get that off his hands. Get his hand behind his back.
3, need more unit. Run forward. Dude! What the heck, man? Stop!
Stay away! Stay away!
323. Full seat good. What is this about? Ross, can you check my phone? Hey, stay away, sir. Sir, stay away.
Back off.
The shocking display of abuse of power was captured on video and would soon spark a legal battle. In a further display of brutality, Marco Puente endured the excruciating pain of being pepper sprayed in the face by one of the officers. The video evidence depicts Marco being held down, while an officer relentlessly peppers his eyes with the noxious substance. Astonishingly, the officers then denied him medical attention for approximately half an hour, compounding the agony and distress he experienced.
Damn, my eyes are on fire.
Yes, sir. We'll get you medics in just a second to treat your eyes.
Dude, give me a towel for my eyes or something. This is crazy.
We're gonna stand you up, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna walk to the vehicle. We're gonna get the AC on your face.
You're gonna have to give me a towel.
We'll do that as soon as you get you in the vehicle.
Ross, grab my phone, would you?
I got it.
No, sir, that's evidence. Do not touch that.
What's your issue, young man? Boy.
.320. We have 2 males detained. OC deployed on 1. Sir, everyone please stand up. We're gonna talk over here in the AC, okay? What it's made is just like that, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. All right. You good? I'm gonna talk to these officers. We're gonna get things sorted out. I'll be right back with you, okay? I'm gonna turn the AC all the way up, okay?
You got water bottle?
It'll take me a minute to get to you, okay? Let me turn the AC up first, all right?
But that's just messed up what you did to my dad.
Your dad cannot legally stop in the middle of the road. He cannot walk into the middle of something that I'm doing, okay?
Okay.
All right? So your dad is going to jail for that, okay? You cannot do that stuff, all right?
After facing unwarranted charges, both Marco and Dillian Puente were ultimately released from jail when police supervisors reviewed the case. They decided that the arrest made by the officers were inappropriate and against the department's policy. In an attempt to rectify the grave injustice suffered by the Puente family, they reached a settlement during a mediation session, with the city of Keller agreeing to pay a sum of $200,000. The Keller police apologized to Mr. Puente.
Police called me up on the phone and issued an apology.
The Puentes pointed out in the legal battle about the officers unacceptable employment status. The Keller Police Department demoted Sergeant Blake Shimonek to officer status in response to the incident, but both officers involved in this shocking abuse of power are still employed in the department. The unlawful arrest and denial of medical attention demonstrate the dire consequences of unchecked power within law enforcement. If you want to watch more police cam stories, subscribe and turn on notifications for more. Watch the next video.